Hey guys, it's me, Galaxy Girl, and today I finally got after so much time, I finally got Bloxburg. I've been waiting for this to happen. So my dad got me Robux, and I'm joining my friend Baby Girl Candle. And yeah, if you hear me chewing, I'm just eating an ice lolly right now, so yeah. And yesterday, guys, did you see the rain? Like, that was so much rain. Okay, guys. If you didn't know, this is my house. ABC for a daughter. Anyway, this is my house. Let me give you a quick tour of the outside. This is the parking lot. This is obviously the path. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you the best, well, the job that gives me the most money in Bloxburg, which is this, the janitor. Do not ask me why, but I don't know, it just gives me the most money. So yeah, it's loading, it's loading. And guys, later on today I might be doing a video with one of my friends called Ramaya. She's in our school, by the way. And she's so cute. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I cleaned that one up. Trying to run fast. And the video might be Rose Citizens. So yeah. And guys, the job of the janitor is just to clean up all this mess on the floor. And if you're wondering how much Robux I have left, the answer is 18. Which I can barely even get anything with. Except for some of the clothing items. So, yeah. It is raining, it is pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Baby Girl Candle. You guys, trick for cleaning up stuff. You can jump then. I need a mom in Roblox. Anyway, Anyway. Ooh, found this. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, so how much money do you guys think I've got from this job so far? Okay, keep your answer in your head. Let's check. 3. Oh. I was about to say 3, 2, 1, but then it just came up. So, only 489. Well, that's enough to make my money shoot up to 2,000 at least. So, yeah. Bloxburg. Hashtag Bloxburg. Like, oh my gosh, I love Bloxburg. Like, golly gosh. Gully gush, gully gush, gully gush. And I don't know why, but Baby Girl Candle is not even noticing me. Like, oh my gosh, Candle, just notice me. And no, I do not know her in real life. Just in Roblox. I feel like I should delete all my friends in Roblox, except for the ones that I mostly play with and the ones that I know in real life. Cause, yeah. But that will take a really long time, so I'm gonna do it a day where I have loads of time. Oh my gosh, nobody's working there. But look at the amount of customers. Lonely, so very lonely. It's got nobody to call your own. Like Nas. Anyway, I'm just getting loads and loads of money so that I can get like something like a car or a bicycle, something like that. So ABC for a sister. Or a daughter. Daughter. Anyway. Blessing and honor, glory and power into the ancient of days. From every nation, all of creation, bow before the ancient of days. Every tongue in heaven and earth shall declare your glory. Every knee shall bow at your throne. In worship you'll be exalted, O God. And your kingdom shall not pass away, O ancient of days. Your kingdom shall reign over all the earth. Sing to the ancient of days. None shall compare to your matchless world. Okay. Soon till the ancient of days. I don't care. But stupid thing. Every single time electricity runs out, like, it's so annoying, guys. Like, legit so annoying. Anyway. Oh my jeebus. Look at the chat. Someone said, oh my jeebus. Oh my jeebus. My jeebus. 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 I hate Fortnite. Girl, you tripping. Well, I don't really play Fortnite, but I watch videos of people playing it sometimes. So yeah. It's Hebus Jeebus in the Hebus Jeebus for the Hebus Jeebus. And I do not know what I'm saying for the Hebus Jeebus of the Hebus Jeebus. So work 1,000, that means 2,000. Okay. Oh, I shouldn't have done. ABC for a daughter or sister or cousin or or niece. Okay, done. Wait. No, I didn't do it. Every time you have a banana, try to claim your glory. Every knee shall bow at your throne and worship you, be exalted, O God. And your kingdom shall. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yay, I did it. Ovation of day. Why does that person keep on talking like that? To kidnap? Okay, good. To be your sister. ABC for sister or daughter. Can anybody even see this? Heaps jeebus. Nobody can see. Like, Hebusa jeebusa. Like, oh my god, I can't believe it. Nobody can even see this. Like, oh my gosh. I didn't see that thing on the floor until I just almost walked on it. Anyway. Yes! Finally! Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and swim out. I'll lay your ship bare. Rolling in the deep. Like, that's the most Dad is